quick. Oh God, yeah. I look bad this morning. Hey guys. Good morning, guys. Whatever. What am I supposed to be looking at the lens? I am going. Today is Sunday, September. Wait a minute. The heck? September. Oh shoot. September 4th. Okay, yeah, it's Sunday, September 4th. I am doing my reset starting tomorrow. I'm just going to get a few things that I need. I've been sticking to keto on and off, but I've gained a little bit of weight. Probably can see it in my face. Absolutely. So yeah, I am going to get some things to do my keto reset. I'm still about 178 pounds. I was down to 168, so yeah, 10 pounds I put on. But 178 is still not too bad. I'm 5'5.5", so yeah, I want to get to my goal before the end of the year of 150. I also have some another vlog or whatever that I'm doing. Another vlog that another video that I'm gonna do, the surgery videos. I have two. One just what surgery I'm getting. Probably take out to my next appointment this month.
Ceci est radical.
And the surgery about what you need for the surgery. Yeah. So I have a couple of those videos coming up. But yeah, this is me getting back to keto. Like I said, I am 178. I was down to 168, so I've gained about 10 pounds back because I have been eating ridiculously. So I am just but I started with this. My husband saw this and he wanted this, so street taco bowl. Yeah, but okay, which is not keto. I don't know. For me, it's not. So he'll do this. Tonight we're gonna have hibachi. So I have the steak here, my protein steak shrimp, and then of course. Then there's the chicken, the free range chicken I have here. So that's my proteins. A red pepper here. I have these because I love the chicken wrap, buffalo chicken wraps from what is it, Tropical Smoothie Cafe. So yeah, I got these, which are keto friendly, like it says, 4 grams of net carbs. The red pepper, I have 2 cucumbers here, and with my hibachi, instead of eating rice, I'm eating cauliflower rice, unfortunately. Okay, and my family will be eating jasmine rice. Right, I have 2 keto friendly 0 sugar juices. I use this one for a smoothie, and I usually put some blue Kool-Aid in this one, which I forgot to get. Right, so we have some muffins here for my husband when he wants something quick before work. Chips for the kiddos. This is for the kiddos. Fruit punch. Some green onion here. Some bacon. Normally I would get brown eggs, but today I got regular eggs. Lettuce, because tomorrow we're having tacos. Some tomatoes. Might have a salad. I would get, what is it? Bless you. I will get Kerrygold butter, but today, since I'm doing hibachi, I got this. Got some mozzarella cheese for my buffalo chicken wraps. Of course, my husband, he loves that. And that. And then we still have our water here that we're about to start drinking. So yeah, this is everything. So I'm going to make my first meal. It is 8:34. while my daughter does her lessons. I'm gonna make me my first meal. Then we're gonna count the macros. So I'll be back.
Ceci est radical.
Come and talk to me. I really wanna meet you, girl. I really wanna know your name. Oh, come and talk to me. I really wanna meet you, girl. I really wanna know your name. Oh, yeah. Woo. You so sexy. You really turn me on, blow my mind every time I see your face, girl. You look so sexy. You really turn me on, blow my mind every time I see your face, girl. There's a very long trying to get her to be so strong. I really want to meet you, but I'm kind of scared. Cause you're the kind of lady with so much class. Get my trust together.
Okay, this is my breakfast. It is 3 large eggs, some peppers, bell peppers, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, onion, some 2 pieces of ham, and shredded cheese. Kind of like an omelet, and then this is half of an avocado. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. I'm not fasting. I'm just doing a full day of what I eat on keto, just so the beginners can get a feel of it before they get into the fasting. So yeah, this is what I eat in a day. This is my first meal. It is my first meal, and I'm gonna have it with this. Okay, hi guys, I am coming back. Stop. Not now. Pull your shirt out your pants. I'm coming back. Some of my breakfast footage actually got cut off. So what I had was 3 medium eggs with what I have 3 medium eggs with onions, bell peppers, and red bell peppers, green bell peppers, some deli ham. I had 2 slices of deli ham, and then I had some sharp cheddar cheese. What else? Sharp cheddar cheese, and it was just, you know, an omelet, and I had half of an avocado with that to get my fats in. And as you can see in this, I think in the video I did show where I had some 0 sugar ginger ale. So that was my breakfast. Hopefully, I think I put the macros somewhere on the screen, but some of the footage I did end up losing. So, and that was a few hours ago, but when I was trying to edit the video, I just realized, go ahead. You don't need your cup? Hurry up. I just realized that when I was trying to edit the video, I just realized that some of it got cut off. So I'm gonna try my best to put the macros in the video of that meal. And I did have it with one of the sugar-free ginger ale sodas. And of course I am still drinking my water. You may not hear me keep mentioning I'm drinking water. I'm drinking water. Like I said, I drink 64 ounces of water a day on keto. So yeah, and like I said, that was about 4 hours ago. So that meal kept me full. It's going on 12 something. So, and that was about 8. So it's been about 4 hours. Hurry up, Tommy. Go ahead. Nope, we gotta get in the car. Get in the car. I'll bring you out later after your last class. But yeah, that meal kept me full for about 4 hours. So I am headed out now to go pick up my breakfast. I'm sorry. You alright? I'm actually headed out now to actually go pick up some lunch. I was gonna do a sandwich for lunch. Let me get in. This is the place. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, but this is the place, the deli that I am getting my lunch from today, because I'm not in the mood to make anything for lunch. But yeah, so I'm gonna get me a salad from here, and I will come and I'll show it to you once I get it, once I get home. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, I am back. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'm back with my lunch for today, and this is what I have. Just a little deli salad with a little bit of beta lettuce, cucumbers, bell peppers, onions. I got 3 meats, and that is salami, pepperoni, and I think ham, with tomatoes and a pickle spear. And the dressing, I always get full fat dressing. Do not get fat free dressing. You need full fat dressing on keto. So I have a ranch here. Okay, time. With keto, always get you some full fat dressing. Don't get that fat-free stuff. You need full fat dressing to get your fat intake in for the day. So I mix mine with maybe less than maybe a teaspoon of ranch and a tablespoon of ranch and probably a tablespoon of this Golden Italian. Here are the macros on the Golden Italian. It has about 3 carbs for this pack, but I don't use this whole pack. But yeah, here are the macros. And this is homemade from the deli, so yeah, I don't have the macros on that. And I usually get extra deli cheese. So yeah, this is lunch. I will Okay guys, I am coming back to end this video. What I had for dinner, I lost that clip as well. I apologize, but I had hibachi. So I had cauliflower rice, a half a cup of cauliflower rice and 4 ounces of steak, shrimp, and chicken. I had 4 ounces altogether of that. And then I had zucchini and squash on the side and mushrooms. So yeah, that's what I had for dinner. If I can find the clip of the macros or even me cooking the dinner, I'll put that somewhere. But I can't find that right now, so I just wanted to end the video. But yeah, I did have that for dinner. And as a snack, I ended up drinking one of my matcha lattes, a nice matcha.